So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from 𝐒𝐿𝐾 and today I'm going to show you that how you can hide your navigation gesture bar or even customize your navigation gesture bar in your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So in the latest version of One UI, there has been a slight change. So if you want to customize your navigation bar, then first you mainly need to go to your Samsung store. So I will show you how you can do that. All right. So first just open the Samsung Galaxy store. So in your Galaxy store, you mainly need to here search for a particular app. So this app is called Good Lock. So you mainly need to search for Good Lock. So here you can see this is the app. So in my case it is already downloaded and installed. So if you in your case if you already don't have it, then you mainly need to download and install this app Good Lock. So then just open this app, and in your Good Lock you need to scroll down a bit till you find Navstar. So let me show you. So here you can see the Navstar conveniently organize the navigation bar. So you mainly need to download it. So it is couple of MBs, like here you can see it is only 15 MBs. So just download this app. So here you can see now the Navstar is showing. So just open it and then tap on start and give it permissions. And now just turn on the Navstar. And in swipe gestures, you can see here, if you just scroll down, there are lots of options available. So you can here increase the gesture handle width or also even decrease it with this particular toggle. And then here you can see you can increase it at the bottom. Here you can see, and you can also reduce or increase the transparency and also decrease the handle width if you wish. So you can also change the color of the handlebar. So here you can see, if we just select the color, for example green, so here you can see now the bar is green. So we can also increase the transparency, and if you want to like completely hide it, you can also do that. So let me just show you. If we just select the white, then it just looks like this. And if we want to hide the gesture bar and make it completely transparent, this is the toggle transparent hinge. So if you just turn on it, then the gesture bar would be completely disappear. So if we just now go back, then you should see. So here you can see it has now completely disappeared. So that's it. This is how you can hide or customize your gesture navigation bar in your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from 𝐒𝐿𝐾, and I'm signing out.